7 jurors are now seated for the retrial of Karen Reed. She's accused of backing into her Boston police officer boyfriend in 2022 and leaving him to die. NBC 10's Katie Benoit is covering the trial. She spoke to a law professor about how a jury is chosen.
Jean Patrice, 4 men and 3 women are now seated on the jury. When court ended yesterday, just 2 jurors were seated. A quiet exit from Karen Reed after day 2 of jury selection brought 87 new potential jurors to Dedham. Meanwhile, 35 people from yesterday had to come back to be asked questions by attorneys and Judge Beverly Cannoni. Close to 80 people raised their hands today, saying they've seen or heard about the case.
Reality is that you're not going to find 12 people who never heard of her, but that doesn't mean you're not going to be able to impanel a jury, because the question is not have they heard of her, but are they going to be able to set that aside and decide the case based on the evidence that they hear in the courtroom. And when the judge frames it that way, most people are going to say, yes, I can do that.
Around 40 said they had an opinion on the case.
When people raise their hand and kind of say they've made up their mind one way or the other, is that something you think that automatically gets them thrown out as a potential juror?
No, it shouldn't. And, from the judge's perspective, they don't want people to bail. They need jurors.
And as both sides interview potential jurors, they can challenge picks.
For any reason or no reason at all. And for now, that number is 16 challenges.
Also new today, Cannoni denied a defense motion to exclude the testimony of Dr. Judson Welcher, an accident reconstructionist from California who could be called by the Commonwealth. And like yesterday, a group of jurors who were here today will have to come back tomorrow. More than 150 people have been summoned for jury duty tomorrow. In Dedham, Katie Benoit, NBC 10 News.